Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm bringing you some exciting news. Officially, Dogs has just announced its very first partnership with a new bot that's making waves. This bot is set to launch its airdrop at the beginning of 2025, so just about a month and a half from now. With the help of this partnership, the currency behind this bot could potentially reach a value of $1 per token. Thanks to strong support from dogs, investors, and even some big players in the Telegram community, the projected value might actually hold up, especially if everything goes smoothly by early 2025. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now let's dive into the details. Dogs recently posted an official update on Twitter saying that they've finalized the partnership with a bot named Wukong. This bot has only been active for a few weeks and is still under the radar. That's a huge opportunity for anyone looking to get in early before it becomes popular. It's predicted that Wukong will continue running until early 2025, and once the airdrop occurs, it will distribute rewards before wrapping up its operations. The entire setup feels reliable, especially with dogs backing it. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use this bot and what benefits you can gain. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Once you click it, the bot opens up to a simple interface. You just need to hit Start Farming, and every 8 hours, you'll collect your tokens automatically. With a rate of 10 tokens per hour, over 8 hours, that's a solid 80 tokens added to your stash. Another cool feature here is the task section. You can earn even more tokens by completing tasks like following on Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube. Each task grants rewards of 500, 1,000, or even 3,000 tokens depending on the level of engagement. As a bonus, once you've connected your wallet, coming soon in the bot's interface, you'll receive an extra 500 tokens. There's also a leaderboard where users with the most points get additional rewards. Lastly, you can invite friends to join, earning 100 tokens for every successful invite. Each referral also boosts your earning rate, so instead of just 10 tokens per hour, you could collect even more as you build up a network. Let's talk about potential value. If everything goes as anticipated, and Wukong hits that projected $1 per token mark, your earnings could stack up significantly. Imagine collecting 100, 200, or even thousands of tokens, all for free. Even if the token value doesn't reach $1 and lands around 10 cents or lower, you're still in profit because you got everything without spending a dime. This partnership with Dogs is giving the whole project a massive boost in credibility. So, if you're interested, I'd recommend jumping on this bot before the airdrop happens, as it won't be around forever. For anyone wondering if this is real, you can always head over to Telegram or Twitter, search for Wukong, and verify everything yourself. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.